Plastic. Oh, stop that. Or I will punch you. Punch you head by side.
Start the man.
That's my question. If you had given a chance to what?
If I were given a chance, I'll take it.
That's a funny question. That's a funny answer, huh? You're the last. Wait.
Parang iba ko eh.
Paano ka nagkaroon niya?
Ito ba yun? Ay, dito yun.
O, paano ka nagkaroon niya?
Yun. Hindi yan bukas. Literal ka na. Nakasara ko. Igaga, baka malaglag gamit.
Uy, napagirap ko nito.
Okay, okay. Siyempre kasama yung art. Nathan, what can you say about
But di mo na...
your rotten bag?
Why don't you ask me to...
Why did I ask permission from you?
For me.
Nathan, where are you going?
Uy,
To the-
hindi. Nagala naman. Mamaya. Ano ko yung mamaya?
No, that's ROTC only.
I will Paano ba yung excitement?
Library? Dapat sinubo yung kanina. Wait lang.
Pwede ba? Yung nga dito. Ay!
Ay, laro tayo sa kanya. Renan eh. Busy talaga kayo. Anong ano ka na? Ay, sorry. Ay, fifth year ka na.
First year pa lang ako
Uy, penge. Can I have some? Ay. Penge, meron.
Wala pa ako.
Uy, pa-xerox mo rin.
Oh, pera.
Parang may pera talaga. Paano ba zoom din?
Kasi sinabi ko kanina yung affiliate ko.
Bakit? Oh, pardon.
Bigyan ka ng bigyan dyan eh.
Magkano ba?
75 cents yung piso na bigyan mo.
Oh my gosh.